Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to generate AI image in Canva. Let's begin. Generating AI images in Canva is a straightforward process that can offer a variety of creative and practical benefits. For you to be able to do that, once you are logged into your account, hover to the Canva free online AI image generator. As you can see, all I have to do is type in your idea. Now, let's say we're going to we wanted some Halloween kind of images because it's almost Halloween. Type that and press enter. Okay, click generate AI images. Wait for it to load and you would be forwarded to another design where you can of course rename this one and wait for it to load. It'll take a little bit of time because depending on the complexity of your image. All right, as you can see, there's going to be a pop-up notif that says your generated images are ready, and click on the results. All right, now the images will be found around here in the photos. As you can see, these are the generated photos from AI, and you can of course choose the images that you wanted. All right, see that. Now, these are the generated images, all right? Of course, from here, you can select the images, graphics, and videos if you wanted. But for now, let's focus on the images. And if you wanted to create if you want to generate another few sets of images, all I have to do is, again, look for the Magic Media. This is part of the free tool from Canva. It doesn't matter if you're using the Canva Pro and the Canva free subscription. If you don't have the Magic Media yet, all you're gonna do is go to the app section here in your left side panel of your dashboard. Type in AI. You have the AI voiceover, AI frames, AI music, and a lot more. Okay, but of course we're going to search for an AI image generator. If you click that, you would be forwarded here. There are a lot of options. Matter of fact, you can use the AI image generator, the generator portraits, and a lot more. But for now, we're hovering obviously to the AI image gen. Similarly to Magic Media, all I'm gonna do is describe the image you want to create. For example, again, we're looking on Halloween. Click the create button. It would be forwarded here. Just wait for it a little bit. It takes a little while, again, depending on the complexity of your ideas or your questions. And from here, you can also have the option to say Halloween and then click on surprise me. Wait for it to load. So these are going to be some of the more images here in Canva, right? And of course, from there, you can upload as much as images as you want. You can try to click the presentation view to see if all the generated images are like it fits perfectly with the design that you have in mind. Okay, as you can see, the Canvas AI image tool empowers you to generate stunning custom visuals that cater to your specific needs, making it a powerful resource for both professional and designers and casual users alike. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.